Welcome to our tutorial about the Shell tool. Let's start by creating a profile. Something like this. Okay. Now let's put a circle somewhere about here. Return to exit the sketch. Let's activate the Extrude tool. We'll select the profile. Click OK. Now let's activate the Shell tool. We've got two tabs on this dialog window. Let's choose the Shell tab for now. On the left side of this dialog window is the type. You can opt to keep the material inside, outside, or on both sides. Actually, let me cancel out of here for now. Let's create a fillet right here. Click OK. And let's go back to the Shell command. Oops. OK, Shell command. Now let's specify the faces to remove. If this box, Automatic Face Chain, is selected, we'll be able to select tangent faces, as you see here. Next, let's specify the thickness, maybe 1/8 of an inch. Next, we specify the faces with different thicknesses. Let's select this face. Let's make it 1/4 of an inch. Click OK. As you see, this segment is visibly thicker than the rest of the part. And this concludes our tutorial about using the Shell tool.